So we'll take a quick look at the S&P now. So much for the range trading. We broke out the range on the downside. We held some quite good support, however, and then we went straight back up. And on Friday, we touched that line there, coming in at 21.82. Now we know 21.84 is good resistance. So if we see a break above this 21.84 area, we know that any short positions are to be reversed. We're going to see then the market rally further, and it's going to come up to 21.94 to 2200, 2202 area. Now obviously it all depends on whether or not we can make this break above this resistance tomorrow when the cash opens. Now obviously this out of hours trading does tend to throw us a bit, because the market seems to be able to go anywhere it wants to go, and then the cash opens and they drag it back down again. And it really is only if the cash opens and stays above 21.84 that we would contemplate going long. Now technically the market looks quite strong, it does. You know, your technical indicators look quite positive going in for next week, but it does all depend on whether it can be sustained. We do get this in August, where markets go up, break levels, can't be maintained, comes down, breaks support on the downside, can't be maintained. So what we try and do is try and get the median and look at, well, there's that range there, so if it goes back down there, we'll trade to the base of that range there. So really, whatever it does, we want to use that 21.78 to 21.60 as our basic going in, selling and buying area. We can put the stops a little bit further away as the week continues, and if we cannot make that break today, well, tomorrow, then you should see it actually come back down through that 21.78, 75 area, all the way down to 21.60, and that's where I think people will be looking to cover shorts. Buyers will be coming into the market on weeklies to those lower levels, and I think they're only going to really worry if we take out this area here. Now it's not only going to be last week's low at 21.47, you can see that this is now a good little uptrend line coming in at 21.47, so that's going to be the key to the downside as well. So between 21.47 and 21.42, I think it's going to be quite good support, and I think you'll find buyers coming in at those lower levels, and they really are only going to worry about a long position if it goes below the previous all-time high at 21.34.